she's on 35, and you see she's on 13 in the kindergarten.
Say hey to the camera, kids.
Hi.
Say your name.
My name is Dominique Cruz.
Dominique. What's your name?
Brianna.
Brianna. What's your name? What is it? Hannah. What's your name?
Antonio.
Antonio. What's your name?
Antonio.
What's your name, little girl? What's your name? Say, what's your name? Gracie P. Is that right?
You still know?
I'm just playing for the camera.
Oh, yeah?
She's my niece. I know who she is. You okay? Oh, here's Melissa.
No, Melissa, because you're going to go fast and we can't go fast. I'm not going to go fast.
Are you wanting to get off? Oh, aren't you having fun, little pumpkin?